Hello AI world. In this video, we'll talk about free AI video generations using open source model, or especially I will talk about LTX video and ComfyUI integrations. LTX video completely free, open source, and it will give you professional quality of the video and it's state of the arts. And there are many other open source also that you can integrate with ComfyUI. I will give you example of ComfyUI where you can create a number of videos or images using GenAI model, open source model freely with near to professional uh, quality. And if you fine tune it, yeah, customize it, or you will do create some pipeline, your workflow around that, then you can make it as a customizable for personalized content generation tool. Now I will go step by step how you can do set up ComfyUI and how you can leverage LTX-2 that newly launched will near to uh, like enterprises level accuracy, professional quality. One thing is that you can generate fast and long video also using this. So I will go through it. I will give you some context about what type of uh, workflow you can do with ComfyUI. Like for example, you want to do text to video, a cinematic video you want to create for personal use, or you want to create image and or want to create video out of image, and like you want to create video to video means particular video location you want to do edit, yeah, you want to enhance that video to video editing also can be possible. And one more good feature that coming to LTX-2, that is advanced control, camera effect, and anyway, it's right now very optimized and speed is very good. Yeah. So why will go with the open source? Anyway, this is free, free for productions, and you need few of like VRAM. If you go for 5 second to 10-second video, then 40 GB of VRAM GPU is enough. If you go beyond that, then you need more than 40 GB. I think you need 80 GB around that. VRAM GPUs, NVIDIA 800, H100, whatever GPU you have that can be used. If you have already that workstation GPU enable machine, then AI video generation free for you. No need to pay for any enterprises API at all. So that one. Second, professional quality. Uh, anyway, like you want to create your promotional video, you have products, but you want to create a video for video shooting and other things, and it will take a lot of cost. But if you go with this, creating especially promotional video, you can create this and you have full control. It will take multiple input. It will take the text prompt, image for the video announcement, and various control. Like you want to do particular pose control, edge precision, whatever. So it will work. So this is about the system and about the model. Now I will talk about the how you can leverage it. So I will give example of Azure Studio where I enable a GPU virtual machine on the Azure and 8 GB, A100 GPU, and I will give you that example. But minimum system requirement is you need at least RAM 32 GB and VRAM you need minimum 40 GB and similar like basic CPU requirement. That works. Yeah. So 32 GB minimum VRAM for minimum 5 to 10-second video and minimum 16 GB of RAM that recommended, and this space anyway we needed more because model size is also very big. 3 4 model, we need to download it. Size would be more than 20 GB for one model, and that's why around for creation everything you need at least 20 GB free disk space for this, and that to work for any Windows, Linux, and macOS. Yeah, so that is we needed. And now we'll go for ComfyUI. How it will work for ComfyUI? Okay, I will give one example. So for ComfyUI, you have to go to comfy.org. Okay, so I will give one example here. Will like Comfy GitHub. We'll log into Comfy GitHub. So ComfyUI, enter it, and you will get, you'll go for the GitHub first, then type on GitHub. Yeah, this is the ComfyUI, and it's very easy to start work. You just clone it, and few of steps for installations you just create using pip also with comfy CLI, or you clone this repo, then you can go this, just go to com.txt installation. If you want to use Comfy UI manager also, then you need to install that manager also, and everything is done. Nothing to do extra for it. Just clone it, install your requirement, and you done. And then you can run Comfy UI using just run python main.py and enable manager also for if we want to enable like different nodes. So node for different model. We are using model LTX-2, so we need node that to be installed. I will give the demo for that, no problem. So one example I will give here. Okay, this is my Azure GPU. Some example I'm giving. Uh, I'm just printing what is configuration for my this, and we IDIA dash SMI. Yeah, so SMI I have to put SMI. So yeah, you're able to see here. My GPU RAM VRAM is 8192, almost is 80 GB GPU VRAM A100 card, and yeah, this is NVIDIA hardware. CUDA version is 13.1, latest CUDA version I use it. And if we want to continue watch the uh, what memory consumption happening inside it while running the model, NVIDIA dash SMI, I just printing it, so clicking it, and it will give the real-time scenario of this one. That's great. So this is my GPU configuration, so how it will work. Okay, now I will go how the ComfyUI install and working here. So okay, CD I have to go. I already clone ComfyUI here. So this is ComfyUI folder, requirement.txt already available here, and manager requirement.txt also available here. Just need to do create a small virtual environment. I already created my virtual environment. So I created .env here, and venv bin activate act. So my virtual environment activated now. So no need to run again for here, like I already installed everything this. So I will just show you how you can expose it. And one thing I want to talk about here, Azure you are running here, but you can access to local also via SSH tunneling or port forwarding, that you can do very easily SSH tunneling. I already done SSH tunneling, then it will access to local host also. So here I will show where my ComfyUI running using this script. So I'm running this using python main.py enable manager, and I listen this port, sorry, this IP and this port. So 000, listening this port expose outside for SSH link that I can use in as a local host. I will show that example. So screen minus so here my ComfyUI already running. ComfyUI running. So you can see here Comfy is already running, and some execution also running. Model is loaded. So one prompt I already running. So that's why this is model loading. Everything is done. Now prompt execution is started. So I will show now how ComfyUI running this one in the localhost. So this is the ComfyUI running now, and okay. So yeah, and I will show you example here. So here there are this is the main ComfyUI. There you can run it. So I will show how you can open this workflow at all, but I created this video out of this and out of this prompt and this image. So this example, what I'm showing you, that is a image plus text to video generation. I created, uploaded this product image. I download this product image to Amazon.in, and I want to create a promotional video out of this one. I written a prompt where with audio prompting, well, like scene wise, like scene 1, scenes 2, scene 3. Scene wise I written. I just zoom it for you, like stay scene 2, scene 3. Total around 20 to 23 seconds video. I created it uh, as a workflow, and I set number of frames 600 because I want to create around 20 to 25 second of video. Speed, the model you can select here, like I selected this floating point 8 LTX model, gamma for text encoding, and this digital LoRa for top layer for enhance the model, and this one for scale the video in the large resolutions. This is the video is generated. I will play. I
Are
will
today's kids losing interest in traditional learning methods? With ILP STEM RoboCar Kit, kids learn through play, completing 10 plus exciting STEM tasks and 50 plus real science experiments. Transform learning into innovation. Click now and grab the special offer today. Are today's kids
So
losing?
this is video created out of this. I use floating point 8, but you can use another model also available. So in the list I downloaded this the version of latest model also. If you use this, then quality also can be enhanced. So this is how the ComfyUI work, and you can download this video from here. I downloaded this video. That is fine, and I can use this video for other purpose also. Now I will go through how you can select all things. So there are many options. First is menu. In the menu bar you can see different file creation, edit and view. But for quick start you go to template, and in this template there are many template available. If you go for video generation, click on the video, and you can see here LTX-2 video workflow. If you click it, then the workflow is created. Uh, if you can search here different open source also. I will search LTX. So LTX, search it, then all the LTS workflow is there. Text to image, even pro version also is there. Like you want to use pro version, so pro version also is here. And I use this one image to video. So this workflow I use whenever I click on this. Okay, clicking on this, then open this workflow, and it's download all the video in this location. So I already showed you this Comfy UI code in my terminal. So this is the location where our video downloaded. For example, I will show here in the terminal. I will go cd to model ls. So here see all the videos, all the models is downloaded. I will go for checkpoint. So here you will see these are same LTX model downloaded here. If ComfyUI unable to download it, you manually just download from the Hugging Face and keep the same folder structure that's showing here. So this is the folder structure showing all the model need to be downloaded. You download that model here, nothing to do, then your workflow is ready. This UI automatically will open whenever you click. This template is already ready. This is the two-stage pipeline where the first stage is you just upload the image and you just do your image size what you need at all, and this is text to video workflow, and then it will take a text as a input and it convert this text to embedding using gamma text encoder. We select the gamma text encoder here, and then finally it will generate the video. That generated video to go to the upsampler. How it will work I will show here. So I will click on expand it. So this is one very interesting. So this is complete Y diagram. You can create your own this workflow also. So how it will work, like these are model loaded. I already showed we used LTX day one model. This is already loaded, and device setting prompts and video sampler used for higher, and we use upsampler also for enhance the video resolutions at all. So how this workflow use, so now go back to this one. So then finally here we able to see the final video. So this is how end-to-end ComfyUI and video generations, uh, how we can generate image to video, text to video, whatever with the ComfyUI. This complete end-to-end pipeline. You can create a number of Comfy workflow. You can use it, leverage it. I think this is very easy to onboard any new open source. I will say some another example also here. Click on the template. If you want to do another open source, for example, when model also when 2.2 want to go, then when 2 select 2, then when 2.2 40 GB fun control video generation. So I think lot of open source model already onboarded to ComfyUI. We can directly test it, leverage it quickly. So that is beauty of this ComfyUI. I like it. So if you want to try different open source quickly, or don't want to go set up manually writing code, yeah, set up a lot of things, want to avoid, then use it. This will work for browser, this will work for, you can download it, this UI that will connect to your whatever network, GPU, yeah, local machine. So it will work for both. So this is all about how you can leverage LTX and with ComfyUI. Thank you so much for watching this video. Mhm. Okay, so